Hey, thanks for tuning in to this quick announcement from my channel. I have a new free watercolor resource just added to my website, and I wanted to tell you about it. But first, a little background. I get questions from many of you all the time in the comments of my videos, asking what supplies and materials I use in my watercolor studio. I always respond to every question, providing links to products and sharing my perspective on my preferred supplies. As many of you know, I also offer a free online course on my website called Getting Started in Watercolor, where I share information I wish I had known when I was starting my watercolor journey. I explain what you really need to get started, tell you what to avoid, and provide my tested recommendations for paper, brushes, paints, and palettes. I even show you how I set up my creative space. This course is free, and I will add a link to it in the video description below. The course is extensive and provides a deep dive into watercolor supplies and materials. However, I realize some people just want a quick reference, an easy to access, one-page list of my recommended supplies. So that's where the new resource comes in. I decided to create an online resource bringing my recommendations together in one easy, accessible webpage. In this list, you will find only the art supplies that I actually use and that I can enthusiastically recommend. I have been using every product on this list, the paper, the paints, brushes, palettes, and other tools for years. These are my tested favorites. So if you're looking for watercolor supplies for your studio, or you just are interested in knowing what I use, check out this new list. You can find it at krisdebruine.com/supplies. Again, the link is in the description below. Every item in the list includes a direct link where you can learn more about the product and purchase it if you're interested. And just so you know, I am not sponsored by any of these brands. Rather, I am just offering my unsolicited endorsement of quality supplies that I use every day. I encourage you to bookmark the list and come back often, as I am always experimenting with new watercolor stuff, and when I find something I love, I will add it to the list. If you do take a look at the list and feel there is something important that I have forgotten, please reach out to me in the comments of the video, and I will get back to you. So once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. I hope you have a great day and that you keep on growing in watercolor.